I'm standing on a wharf, a little place called Woolamaya on the New South Wales south coast. There's a few boaties going out, but I thought I'd this guy's got no tail. This is the biggest stingrays I've ever seen. You know, you see manta rays and so on TV. There's actually 4 of them all up. It's a beautiful little area. Lots of fish, lots of small fish everywhere. Oysters over here on the rocks, and you've got your mangroves just there. Millions of little fingerlings and baby fish. Quite a few brim and stuff floating around in the by the wharf as well. Oh look, here comes another one. Over. Look at the size of this guy. Lots of scars on his back. Been in a few fights, I think. They're beautiful. The way they fly underwater. This guy's got no tail. But this guy, look at that. He would be 5 foot across, 6 foot maybe. Look at the scars on his back. They come up to this. I mean, he's right. Here's my hand. He's probably only about 3 feet or 4 feet away from me, looking right at me. Look at those scars. I hope he didn't meet with a boat. There's some people in kayaks over there getting a good... He's right under it. The fella with the fishing charter, I was just talking to him before. He hand feeds them, which he did while I was here. I didn't get that on film though. Some people don't like to get filmed, you know. Lots of little fish. I'm just waiting for these rays to come back. I just thought I'd pop over here today to a place I haven't been to before, which is in my neck of the woods, and got this amazing treat from nature. But, you know, I always say, if you don't explore, you don't discover. I'm going to stand here for just a little bit longer. Yeah, I can see him there. Look, here's one of them. I've seen little guys, but nothing like this. That's an impressive creature. I wish I could give you some idea of scale, but you'll have to take my word for it. He's 4 or 5 feet across. Look, here comes another one. Look. That's a different one. Little guy there. It's Stumpy with a missing tail. I would say with the proximity of all these boats and things, especially crowded times of the year, it's probably boat accidents, why they're missing tails and have those scars. But this is an estuary. It's part of Woolamaya Creek. It's not open ocean. It's not too far from the open ocean. Look at that. It's one of the charter boats going out. And that's a very noisy winch. Anyway, that'll do. They were cool, eh? Really cool creatures flying along underwater nice and slow. Such ease and grace. Oh, and just to say goodbye, here's the first guy I saw. The base of his tail is as thick as the top of my leg. It's huge. It keeps coming right up to here. And then back out he goes. Awesome. See ya.